As machine learning (ML) technology develops quickly, more and more applications of artificial intelligence (AI) are being implemented in many facets of daily life. Businesses are being more automated as the world changes and becomes more technologically aware. The fourth industrial revolution, as some analysts have named the current transformations, is centered on these two: machine learning and artificial intelligence. And as we look back at 2022, it's clear that the field of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning have made some very important strides. From breakthroughs in natural language processing and computer vision to improved adoption of AI by businesses, and from self-driving cars to machine learning algorithms that predict when a piece of equipment is likely to fail, which has allowed businesses to proactively perform maintenance and prevent costly downtime. We have seen it all. And as technology continues to evolve at an astonishing pace, the use of machine learning and AI is becoming more and more prevalent in various industries. In fact, by the end of 2023, we're expecting to see a major shift in the way we work and do business. Machine learning and AI are being applied in many other industries, such as transportation, energy, and entertainment, and they have the potential to bring about significant changes to the economy, which could be both positive and negative. So, let's start by looking at some of the potential positive impacts. One of the main benefits of machine learning and AI is increased efficiency. By automating tasks that were previously done by humans, businesses can potentially save time and money. For example, a machine learning algorithm could be used to analyze customer data and identify patterns that could be used to personalize marketing campaigns. For instance, companies like Siemens and GE use machine learning to streamline their production methods, which has significantly increased efficiency. Similarly, retail giants like Amazon and Walmart are using machine learning algorithms to optimize their inventory management and supply chain processes, leading to cost savings and improved efficiency. In fact, by giving them access to insights and forecasts based on massive volumes of data, machine learning and AI can assist businesses and organizations in remaining competitive. For instance, Netflix employs machine learning algorithms to suggest content to its customers, helping it to hold on to its position as the market leader in streaming. Productivity will also improve due to businesses complementing and assisting their existing workforce with AI technologies. A study by Accenture estimates that the use of AI could increase productivity by up to 38%, leading to potential cost savings of up to $14 trillion by 2035. Machine learning and AI can be used to improve safety and security in industries such as transportation and finance by detecting and preventing fraud and other malicious activities. Similarly, AI and machine learning can be used to build new goods and services that can generate new sources of income. For instance, a tool that aids businesses in streamlining their supply chains was created using Google's AlphaGo, an AI system that plays the board game Go. Similarly, Google analyzes search engine data using machine learning, which has enabled the company to create services like Google Maps and Google Translate. Machine learning is also being used to analyze medical images, predict disease, and improve patient outcomes. IBM Watson is one example of a machine learning system that is being used to help doctors identify cancer and other diseases in their patients. In addition to increased efficiency and productivity, the development and use of machine learning and AI can also create new job opportunities by analyzing data and identifying patterns that can be used to optimize operations. Fields such as data science and software engineering, which are involved in the development and implementation of these technologies, are expected to grow significantly in the coming years. And all of these can have a potentially positive impact on economic growth. Let's take a look at this graph that shows AI's projected impact on global GDP. And, according to Forbes, AI will add $15.7 trillion to the world economy by 2030. Moreover, the economies of China and North America would benefit the most from AI, together accounting for $10.7 trillion, or over 70% of the global economic impact. And the use of machine learning and AI has the potential to drive economic growth by creating new industries as well, while enabling the existing ones to grow. For instance, the introduction of automated driving may bring about significant changes in the transportation sector. opening up new business opportunities and maybe stimulating the economic growth. But, as with any technological revolution, there will always be some challenges. And hence, despite these positive impacts, the advancements in machine learning and artificial intelligence have some negative impacts as well. Some occupations may become obsolete as a result of the automation of functions by machine learning and AI, which could result in job displacement. And economic instability and inequality may follow in the short term as a result. A report by the McKinsey Global Institute estimates that the adoption of AI could lead to the displacement of up to 800 million jobs by 2030, although it could also create up to 370 million new jobs. Therefore, there is a common concern that machine learning and AI will eventually replace humans in the workplace, leading to widespread job loss and unemployment. And it is true that the adoption of these technologies has the potential to automate certain tasks and make some jobs obsolete. It is unlikely that they will completely replace humans in the workforce. But it is also important to note that machine learning and AI are still limited in their capabilities and are not able to fully replicate the complexity and creativity of human thought. While machine learning algorithms can analyze large amounts of data and identify patterns, they are not able to fully replicate the complexity and creativity of human thought. Moreover, machines are not able to fully understand and respond to human emotions in the same way that humans can. This means that tasks that require a high level of emotional intelligence or tasks that require a high level of creativity are unlikely to be fully automated. Similarly, while robots and other automated systems can assist with physical tasks, they are not able to fully replicate the dexterity and adaptability of the human body. So, overall, even while there may be some temporary disruption and job displacement as artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are deployed, it is anticipated that they will eventually supplement and complement the workforce instead of fully replacing it. And it is also important to keep in mind that the potential benefits might not apply equally to all nations and regions, as the actual effect of AI and machine learning on the world economy will depend on a number of variables, including the adoption rate, governmental regulations, and the availability of skilled labor. So, what do you think the future holds for machine learning and AI? Let us know in the comments below. We will be happy to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video informative and enjoyed the content, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button as well. Thank you for watching.